Hello, Sam here from Artificial Lawn Company and artificiallawnsupply.co.uk, and back with another quick video. This time today, just changing the brush head on the larger of our two power brush models. This is the Garland 502E artificial grass electric power brush. So you only need, again, one tool to change this brush, and that is an Allen key. This one is probably easiest if we just spin it upside down. It gives us nice, easy access then to the block underneath. So on one side you'll just see there's two little hex bolts. These might be a bit stiff the first time you do this and in the demonstration area, so it probably could do with a new brush head. So literally just take the two hex bolts out. This little block comes off if you like, and then the brush simply should just pop straight out. And then you can get your new brush head. This can only go in one way, so the end that's sticking out more goes in the bit where the block goes. This has just got like a hex bolt on that side, and that just literally should just slot straight into that side. Might need a bit of a twist so it aligns properly, and then put the block straight back on this side. Might have it upside down. There we are. And then the two bolts back in. And that is it, pretty much under a minute. A new brush on the Garland 502E. So if you're looking for a new brush head, we sell these on our website directly. You can simply place an order online and get one of those delivered to you. We stock those all the time. If you ever need any other spare parts for general maintenance or wear, then please get in touch. We can send you a diagram and then we can source those parts for you as well. So that's it. That's the new brush head on the Garland Roll Comb 502E. Thank you very much.